In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor faster. Elementor is a fantastic tool for building dynamic and visually stunning websites, but sometimes, we all need a little nudge to make things move along a bit quicker. So, if you're looking for efficient ways to improve your Elementor site speed, you've come to the right place. First things first, one of the simplest ways to ramp up your site's performance is by updating to the latest version of Elementor. Keeping your tools current ensures that you're benefiting from the latest features and performance enhancements. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and check for available updates. If you see Elementor in the list, hit that Update button. It's a quick step that can make a noticeable difference. Once we've got the latest version running, the next step is to optimize your images. Large, high-resolution images can really slow things down, so consider compressing them. There are plenty of tools like TinyPNG or plugins like Smush that help reduce file sizes while maintaining quality. This kind of optimization helps speed up site loading times significantly. After tackling your images, let's talk about caching. Implementing a caching plugin is another great way to boost your site speed. Plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache are popular choices because they store a version of your pages in memory. This means faster loading times for your visitors since your server doesn't have to pull all the data from scratch every time. Make sure to configure your caching settings according to what best suits your website. Now, on to the next part, minimizing the number of plugins you use. While plugins are incredibly helpful, having too many can slow down your site. Go through your currently installed plugins and deactivate any that are unnecessary or unused. Streamlining your plugins not only improves speed but also enhances security and compatibility. Another tip is to optimize your database. Over time, WordPress databases can become cluttered with unnecessary data like post revisions, drafts, and spam comments. A plugin like WP Optimize can help clean up your database, resulting in faster site performance. Finally, consider using a content delivery network, or CDN, to speed up your site. A CDN stores copies of your site across various geographical locations, ensuring that your pages load quickly regardless of where your visitor is accessing them from. Services like Cloudflare can make this setup process seamless. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to see a noticeable improvement in your Elementor site speed. Not only will a faster site enhance your visitors' experience, but it will also benefit your SEO rankings. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you on your journey to creating a snappier and more efficient website.